So it didn't take that long. It was less than 2 minutes to build it. And now that it's ready, just go to your website and you will see that that simple website that I used to have, that was blank with just the sample page and the sample post, it's now full of information here that I can just go ahead and replace. You see there are a few things that are broken here that I need to inspect. Maybe it's a conflict with my plugin, or maybe it's just an asset that didn't import. But in any case, my contact is here with a form. My menu, how it looks like, it's here too. I have a great start point to start populating. A few things broken, and we can inspect and understand what is going on. So we have an image here that is broken. We'll have a look at that later. But notice that the template is here. So if I go to my website now, I should see, just close, I should see that I have now more things. Notice that I have now one plugin for forms. As I said, that the contact form was coming from somewhere, and that is coming from this plugin. Spectra is a plugin that is Astra partner to build these blogs and these features of your website. If you go to the plugins page, you will see a list of more plugins now. Notice that now have all those, not this one, this is not new, this is part of the plugin that I use to reset the website when I need to create a demo for you, for instance. But Spectra came now, starter templates came a few minutes ago when we were installing the theme and starting the starter templates, right? And this form too came now because it's part of the template that we are using. So when now I go to pages, I should also see now more pages. I just had the sample page before. Now I have about, contact, home, menu. I have more things. And if I go now to menu, I should see that I have access to change the content there now. So I can change the information here, there. I can remove anything. I can change the price of it. I can add, I can change the elements, everything that is here, replace the images and do all the, change the image here and start customizing my website to make it look more like what I want and be unique, you know. So all those images that are here, they are not, I'm not sure, maybe they were not fully uploaded, because I see that it's showing here the image, so we need to fix that one. But because you're not gonna use that anyway, because you're gonna use our own images to populate the website with the customers' images and content, we will replace all this. We're just gonna use the place where it is, and then we're gonna change the image and put our own image here. So select whatever we want to replace and then upload it here to have our content ready to use. So from that point, it's up to you how you're gonna customize. You can simply say, you know what, I don't want a menu page, and just delete that and don't use the menu page. But the point here is that you have something to start with. So you have home here, front page. Another thing interesting, when we create this website, the front page is set to be posts. That's by default, right? That's how WordPress will do it. But if you go to your settings, you will see that now instead of showing your latest posts as the home page, the template also changed it to show a static page, and the static page that is showing is the page that is named home. When you go to pages and you go to home, this is the page. Notice that it will have the elements here, the welcome and about, and things that you're gonna customize. So that's the page that is now the front page of your website, not the posts one as the default one from WordPress. So this is also coming from the template. So now it's up to you to customize this and to change all the content here to look like the design that you want to build, but you have a great starting point because you are using a starter template.